Hello and welcome to the Practical Animal channel with me, John Beaumont. Today I want to talk about the latest issue to affect the bird industry, and that is avian influenza or bird flu. An outbreak of bird flu was reported on the 2nd of November 2020 here in the UK. On the 11th of November, the UK's chief vet declared across the country an avian influenza prevention zone, and the industries affected include all of those involved with birds. Doesn't matter if the industry has just a few birds in the back garden, a few poultry, a few chickens in the back garden, a few hawks, or whether it has a vast number. So the industries affected include the battery chicken industry, egg producing, the broiler chicken industry producing chickens for meat, the falcon breeding industry, pest control specialists who are using hawks to disperse feral pigeons and falcons to disperse gulls, zoos, and indeed any other industry involved with birds. So we're here in December, and so Christmas is coming. The turkey industry is affected too. The public health risk is low. You can still eat eggs, you can still eat poultry meat, but of course you should check up on latest developments because this is a fast changing situation potentially. Consult the web, consult the government websites, DEFRA, the Animal and Plant Health Agency websites. And so it is hoped that with the Avian Influenza Prevention Zone, properties and premises will have to have enhanced biosecurity. This is with the aim of reducing the probability of spread of the virus within different areas of premises and between different premises. So it's been a heck of a year, and good luck to everybody directly involved in the bird industry. I hope things improve for you. If you liked this video or found it useful, please click like, and for more exclusive content on wildlife, the countryside and the animal industry, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.